Hey everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I created this ring using wire, a jump ring, and UV resin. This is part of the 30 Themes Resin Challenge, and the theme for this creation is Love is in the Air. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get started. First we're going to take two pieces of wire and wrap it around either a ring size mandrel, or if you don't have one like I did, I just used a marker. Make sure that there's some sticky tape around so that it sticks the wire into place. Next, thread a jump ring through the middle and squeeze it with some pliers so that it secures into place. Next, we're going to spread the 4 wire legs out wide so you get something that looks like this. Then we're going to add in a few drops of UV resin into the middle and then put it under the UV light to let it cure. Repeat the same process for a second time. Next we're going to take a jump ring and add some UV resin into the middle so that it creates a dome-like shape at the top. Then we're going to add that jump ring onto the middle of that ring and we're going to put it under the UV light to let it cure. Then we're going to take some pliers and start cutting down the 4 wide legs. You want to leave just enough so that you can fold down the wire edges on top of that jump ring part. Then we're going to add a bit more UV resin on top so it gives a bit of extra shine. Make sure you put it under the UV light after you're done. And there you have it, our Love is in the Air themed ring is now all complete. I hope you enjoyed that video and I hope to catch you in the next one. Alright, I'll see you then. Bye!